Hey guys, Chris from ChrisKonkleVlogs, ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. Just you know, on my way out to site. It's a beautiful day. It's my birthday. I turned 39 today. Wow, I'm so old. My wife, she's 28, I think. 28, 29 maybe. But she thinks I'm so old now. But I'm not old yet. Not yet. So I am ripening, that's for sure. I don't know. I was thinking on my way out here, all these videos that I've been doing. What is different this time? When I was doing the theater and other film, there was always other people. We were always a team. When I was a director, even what made me successful was recognizing the mechanics of it all, and I truly believe that everybody had a role to play, and to a very small degree there was a line of authority if it needed to be, but honestly I don't think it ever had to be. We always collaborated, everyone worked together. Our lighting guys and sound guys, and even when I was lighting and sound, we all just kind of created our own thing and presented it and mixed it all together and made it work. Two brains are always better than one, that's for sure. But oh wow, look at the Hitachi they got out here. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm coming out here just to. I gotta order material. I'm gonna do the grate beams in here. Gonna do. Yeah, the concrete guys are they haven't showed up. They were supposed to start 2 days ago, so I'm gonna take over the concrete and I'm gonna start up the grate beams so we can get these other walls built. But yeah, the inside bay there is done. So I'd love to. I want to show you that. Hopefully I can get in there today and shoot a video. But yeah, here I am on site, so I want to, we're going to go in and see what's going on. There's Jason and Steven, so yeah, we're all good to go. It's a beautiful day. Wow, it's a good day to have a birthday. Be picking up the kids right after this, and we'll have a little thing. I just can't, doing this is so hard when you're doing everything by yourself. You got to do all the writing and all the filming and editing, everything you do on your own, which is so different when I was doing the theater and film before, right? Because you had a whole team of people, and I just came to that realization on my way out here. Really, I know it's always been there, and always kind of knew, but yeah, I'm kind of enjoying the unscripted vlogs, so I hope to do more of them actually. So, really want to hear from you guys, see how I'm doing. I need all the advice and help I can right now, so just starting out. That's the beautiful thing. It's the great thing with YouTube, right? You can develop, and every time you get in front of the camera, you get better and better. So more confident, and you kind of get to learn and know what you should script and say and what not say and stuff like that. So it's such a learning curve, and it's been very, very fun. Like not just the YouTube, but the mechanics behind all of it, right? And the Facebook, not the Facebook, but Facebook as well, and Twitter, and so you got TweetDeck, and you have Facebook Business Manager and Pages Manager, Ads Manager, you got AdWords, you got all these things, and your website and Google Analytics and tag managers, and you got another thing called Bitly where you can customize URL links and also track them and tag them. So that's really cool. Bitly.com. And yeah, there's all these things, right? So I've been into computers since I had probably the first computer out of anyone in my school, so yeah, I'm that old. I had a Commodore 64, an IBM PC 10.3. I had a computer at my house before our school even had one, right? Because my parents had the businesses, right? So we always had computers. So I love it, right? And so anyways, this is Chris from ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. All right, guys. Bye for now. Be safe. Yeah, I just wanted to show you, like, look how cool this stuff is, eh? This Container West is who we're building, who owns this property. These guys are hauling containers in and out all day long. It's incredible. The biggest freaking forklift I've ever seen over there.
seen them. I think I saw them carrying like four sea cans at one time. I think it was crazy. Yeah, there's the old Hitachi, the broken down zoom boom over there. But yeah, lots of demo going on. There's our good old trusty tractor there, the case with the excavator attachment there on it. It's awesome. So yeah, all these cars, they're going to end up going into the shop there, getting cut up and shipped, all the parts shipped over to Lebanon for parts manufacturers. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pretty awesome operation actually, because yeah, just think about it, right? It's so cool. Yeah, anyways, I thought I'd just show you behind the shop here we're working on. We're way out in the country, like look at this. Right on. Hey guys, so the inside of the heavy gauge wall is done. So the sparkies come in. I got all the taping done. It was bloody cold as usual, but you know what? I just took my time and I skimmed it thin, and I got enough mud behind all the tape. None of it fell off, so we're good. We're complete 100% inside this bay. So now we're going to be starting to work on some new walls actually. We'll finish up the other side. I still got to fire tape it, and yeah, so once that's fire taped, the guys are starting the gray beams. Well, they started today, so we'll do another, you know, we're going to go 60 plus 50, so 110 feet, and then to make another bay and drive all the inside of that, and then we'll, yeah, just keep going. So bay after bay. So yeah, there's quite a bit. So there's going to be lots. This place is going to be so different when we're done. So you make sure you stay tuned. You know, it was so cold. Every day it was just so cold here. I can't wait for the summer, because then I'm going to be able to do so much more video. You know how hard it is to do this kind of content in the winter. It's really hard because it's so cold. But no, I'm happy. You know, I got some practice, and I know I've been watching the videos, and I kind of getting an idea of what I can do better. And I'm just keep practicing, get better, and hopefully one day I'll be actually producing some real professional content here for you guys. The more support I get, then yeah, of course, the better I'll you know get. So I'm never gonna give up. So keep trying, and yeah, I'm hoping that we can one day actually really do some professional stuff for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Chris from ChrisKonkleVlogs.com. Okay, bye for now, guys. Be safe out there.